Those of us who love using Camtasia and have upgraded to 2022 but are on Macs, we are missing the speech-to-text dictation that is present in the Windows version. So I'm going to show you a little bit of a workaround that I did. So we're going to open up and maximize this window. And here at the very bottom of the controllers, you're going to see my closed captioning that I've got going on here. Now I can open up these sound files. So even though Camtasia with Mac does not, we can see that I've got this, but what I did, instead of inputting the text, I use a little software called dictation, speech to text. Now here's the deal. You can do your speech to text in that and work with your in-Mac dictation software. But there is an in-app purchase. And I went ahead and upgraded to the Dictate Pro, and it's for $17.49. Now I want to show you what that program looks like. So what you can do is you can start recording directly from your microphone, or you can import a file, MP3 or M4A, WAV file, any of those. You can import them and it will automatically transcribe it. But you have to upgrade to the Pro version. Now, for those of you who are out there, if you're making money, some YouTube AdSense bucks from your teaching, or if you've got a side gig where you're teaching people how to do this stuff, I can understand you floating the bill with regard to all of the stuff that you are wanting to do with this. But if you're just wanting like a couple of videos, or you're doing like 1-minute videos or things like that, I would not even waste my time with it simply because of the amount of money that you have. In the dictation function, or I should say the closed captioning function, you are able to dictate or type in what you want and go through each one of these sections. Have the text to speech, or rather the speech to text. You can go ahead and go through each section and input all of these. And if you have something like Grammarly, like I have, it will be able to help you out with punctuation a lot faster. And with the closed captions, you're able to repeat a specific sound just to be able to get the text. Let me demonstrate. Have the text to speech, or rather the speech to text. Have the text to speech. So you get the idea. You're able to repeat and be able to write in your segments if you wanted to do closed caption. But in any case, I wish that Camtasia would fix it so that you could do a speech to text directly from the app like it does on Windows. Now what you can do is, this was created by using the dictation feature on my Macintosh. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to go ahead and start. So this is a little bit different, period. I like doing this with the dictation software, period. It's a lot simpler, period. So you can do that and save yourself a little bit of time, but you're not able to do that with the closed captioning, because once you use any other keystroke, or if you're trying to do any mouse gestures, it is not going to work at all. It'll cut the dictation off immediately, hence the fact that you have to use a third-party app. And of all the apps for Mac, this is the cheapest. I paid $17 and change for the entire year, and I do enough videos where I work with enough closed caption that this is going to work out for me. So that's the workaround as of September of 2022. Maybe with the next upgrade they'll put that feature back in, but this is what you have to do.